My name is Alex Jackson, and I'm a photographer, explorer, and creator. On this YouTube channel, you'll find my comings and goings, adventures, and experiences as I explore all that North America has to offer. So, quick update, I'm now at REE's place. I did not shoot a lot of what I just did just because it's like fix-up work. It's kind of boring, and I was super frustrated because it was really windy and cold and I didn't want to film anything. I'm at REE's shop. I gotta weld in a few brackets now, so that's what I'm gonna do. Weld in a few brackets because I gotta put a cabinet up along there. You can see that I put my solar in. I go up here. There's my solar entry gland. And yeah, now I just have to hook up the solar this evening, but I'm just trying to keep up with everything there is to do, which it's a never-growing list. Anyway, here we go. Alright, there you have it. One of my very run and gun methods to fabrication. Pretty much just measure, grind away, and weld, and don't really care about anything else. I'm kind of expecting a lot of comments about how I could probably easily kill myself doing this, but I'm still alive, so ha. Anyway, I'm gonna get cleaned up and weld a few more things, then move on to the next project. So, new development. The truck won't start, so I guess I'm gonna swap out the starter now because I've been meaning to do that. Well, hey there folks, that was kind of a rough day. Man, that morning started off really cold. You couldn't really tell in the video, but it was very cold, very windy, and I had my hands just covered in sealant most of the morning, so I didn't really do a whole lot of filming, hence the kind of weird continuity. But yeah, I figured I would add this video to the series just to kind of show you another step of the build. The brackets that I welded in place are meant for cabinets and shelves that are going to be installed later on in the series, so it was kind of a, I don't know, an important thing to show, you know, just for continuity's sake, if nothing else. Yeah, and then later on, when my truck did not want to start and I had to pull my starter, as I was doing that, my battery died on my camera, so it was just kind of one of those things where it's just like, I was pretty done with the day. So yeah, if you liked it, maybe hit that like button. If you want to see more, feel free to hit that subscribe button. And if you have anything really nice, oh my gosh. And if you have anything really nice to tell me in the comment section below. So until then, later.